Hello viewers, this is Just Fake Network TV, a place where you can get the latest information about Nigerian news and all the news in details. I slapped Akpabio in Abuja when sexually he harassed me. Ex-NDDC chair says. The immediate past managing director of the interventionist agency, Joy Nunez, has launched another round of fierce battle against Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, Godswill Akpabio, whom she accused of massive corruption. Speaking during a live interview section on Arise TV on Monday, Nunez accused Akpabio of sexually harassing her in his Akpabio Abuja guest house. I want. Why did he not tell Nigerians that I slapped him in his guest house at Akpo? I am the only woman that slapped Akpabio. I thought he could come up on me. He tried to harass me sexually. I slapped him. He tried to come on me. I am an Ogoni woman and nobody jokes with me. I showed Akpabio that river women do not tolerate nonsense. Akpabio has touched my dignity by talking about 4 men. He harassed me. I did not report because I could handle it. The hot exchange of words between the duo got worsened at the weekend, following revelations at the ongoing open investigative hearing by the Senate regarding the alleged reckless spending to the tune of 40 billion naira. Nunez denied that the agency spent 22.6 billion naira under her stewardship, just as she alleged Akpabio asked her to do his bidding or be removed from office. However, recall that Akpabio denied the allegation, insisting that Nunez was removed from office because of insubordination and also because she lacked the requisite qualification to occupy the office, as she had no National Youth Service Corps NYSC discharge certificate. Asking questions on her NYSC certificate, Nunez disclosed to that she did a service in Kwara State. Wow, so guys, what is your own take about it? The fact is that I knew it because there is something fishy. Instead of Akpabio defending allegations on him, he was busy talking about the 4 husbands, you can imagine. The question is that where was he? Where was he? What was he trying to make? To make himself the 5th husband? Now what for these people? Now what for all these politicians? Now what? You know, people were saying that very good. Is a dog and a looter. Akpabio, you are a disgrace to your family and Niger Delta. They said, see, we are tired of all this talk here and there. Please make owner tell Nigerians how owner takes spend the 40 billion naira period. The fact is that they will not be able to explain how they spend the 40 billion naira. That's just the problem. And even if they want to explain it, they will have a cover-up for it. They will forge so many things. And that is the fact about it. You know, they say slapping a man is an achievement. You are a disgrace to Ogoni woman. The ones you did in the past secretly will you tell us? Both of you are birds of the same feathers. Both of you are corrupt set of people. They said the woman must be lying. Chai, minister, you know sabi how to toast babe again. But madam, why you go slap am at all? You no get respect, ni. We are apologies. When did NYSC papers become a qualification requirement for an appointment? I wonder. That they talk about NYSC paper. What of person when no even get a certificate? When no even get a WAEC certificate, NECO certificate, and the person they be part of politicians right now, governors. We have governors when no even get certificate, even our president. So may God help us. So I don't know why they say that NYSC na part of qualification. May then start from a primary school certificate first. By the time they screen them, you know that many of them, they don't even have certificate at all. But may God help us in Nigerian system right now. They said, why did you allow Akpabio to disclose your marital status? before you came out with what he did at this guest house. Tell me, woman, what are you trying to insinuate by your assertions that you are Ogoni, a river woman? I advise you to concentrate on the persons who hurt you and not try to pitch group against group or tribe against tribe. I said she should keep quiet right now. Don't you have a female children? Is that how you're bringing them up? Despite your positions and money, you cannot even woo a lady. Akpabio, you are a disgrace to manhood. I think you should resign honorably. The fact is that even these people are Akpabio that we are talking about, I'm very sure that he will have wife at home. But these people, they will leave their housewife at home and start searching for unreasonable things outside. You can imagine. I will support the fact that the woman slapped him because what is he looking for outside in the first place? What is he looking for? You know, people were saying that wind don't blow. And this is the minister Buhari appointed to be a minister. Very useless people with useless government ruling the country. The woman needs Socratic attention. Someone please help her before the matter gets out of hand. They say you are proud to raise your hands, slap a man. Madam, with due respect, no matter what, you don't have manners. Please clear the hair on your credentials. I am ashamed of your actions as a woman. My Ogoni mommy, we are proud of you. You don't mess with the Ogoni woman. Ashawo Akpabio. Wow. May God help us. A lot of things is going on in the country that is not supposed to go on. Because remember that when we first know Akpabio, he used to address self as servant leaders, saying, oh my God, as if he was preaching, then I was happy. And we used to say that thank God for this type of man. And shortly after, when the real person in Akpabio starts to manifest in 2050, yeah, I think it's 2050. I think it's 2015. And we became shocked then and very sacked. Then we told the Supreme God to expose and reward servant leader Akpabio with 3 DDD: disgrace, dismantle, and dethrone. Dethrone him. Akpabio, a power-drunk man like Rotimi Amaechi, joined hands to betray their own brother, Goodluck Jonathan, after being under the same umbrella for how many years? I think it's for 8 good years as governors. They destroyed that umbrella thinking that God can be mocked or fooled. And our God is not a man. Our God is not a man at all. You know, people were saying that I personally sued him to the Supreme Court of Supreme God in heaven to reward him in multiple folds. Bringing marital private life of his Ogoni woman was not the bone of contentions. Akpabio thought he can use that diversionary statement to razzmatazz the public probe on how 40 billion naira got missing under his headship. Abeg, can we clap for Akpabio since he has no shame? And his wife, Ineoma Akpabio, is not enough for him? Now this Ogoni bold woman he wants to mess with? Please probe panel increase the volume cause that next level our APC Buhari regime promised Nigeria now is season of recovering our stolen billions of naira from our servant leaders. Thunder will fire devil on in folds in Jesus' name. So guys, you've heard it all. What is your own take? What do you think about this? Your comment is highly appreciated, and kindly drop your comment on the comment section below. For those who subscribe, we want to say a very big thank you to you for subscribing. We say God bless you. If you are yet to do so, kindly press the subscription button below. And also please don't forget to press the notification button so that whenever we upload news, you will always be the first person to watch our latest news anytime, any day. Stay safe at this crucial time. It is very important to us. It is very important to you as well. Bye.